Welcome, YouTuber. Today video will be about braiding tutorial. This is a braiding wig that I'm making at the moment. Yes, it's a wig on a $20 lace front, straight, synthetic, nothing special, $20. Okay, I'm using Bobbi Boss jumbo braid Kanekalon hair. Grab a little piece. Grab a little piece, separate it. Cross, then you will have like a bow. That bow will turn into a T against the natural hair. Grab the right, put the middle piece and the natural hair together. The right, this one, will come over like this. So right becomes the middle piece. The left will come underneath and will become the middle piece. The right will go under and becomes the middle piece. The left will go under and become the middle piece. The right will come underneath and become the middle piece. And so on. Left underneath and become the middle piece. Don't worry about the braid. I'm just teaching you the technique. Okay, the left will go under and become what? The middle piece. The right will go underneath and become the middle piece. Okay? Right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. I'm gonna go slow. Right, underneath to the center, T. Left, underneath, center, T. See? Right, underneath, center, T. Left, underneath, center, T. Right, underneath, center, T. Left, underneath, center, T. Just that simple. I'm going to go even slower. This is the center. This is the letter T. This is the right. This is the center. And this is the left. So, get that right strand. Go underneath the center one until you make that right strand the centerpiece. Left under the center strand, and then the left become the centerpiece. Right underneath the center strand, and the right becomes the center strand. Left underneath the center strand, the left becomes the center strand. And you repeat yourself. Let's go. Right underneath center strand, and the right become a center strand. You should have a T. Left underneath the center strand, the left strand become the center. Right underneath center, T. Left underneath center, T. Right underneath center, T. Left underneath center, T. And keep going. Let's go. Right underneath center strand, and keep going. Left on the right, on the left, on the right, on the left, on the right. Practice make perfect. If you can find anyone, just go in the store and get a little, they have the kids mannequin dolls, or you can order a mannequin hair with the hair off Amazon. And practice make perfect. If you have to look at this video many times, so be it. Just put comments below and tell me what you need help with, and I'll surely create a video tutorial just for you. Just let me know, subscribe, hit the notification button so you can get updates. Leave comments below, leave feedback, anything. I'm here to help. And once you master it, it becomes easy, believe me.